Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit Excel on mobile. First, download the Excel app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open any spreadsheet directly from your cloud storage or email. You can tap on any cell to begin typing or use the formula bar for more complex entries. Remember to tap the checkmark to confirm your input. Saving is automatic, or you can manually save a copy to a new location. It's quite straightforward. The mobile Excel app offers many essential tools. Use your finger to select individual cells or drag to highlight a range. The keyboard includes a dedicated formula button, giving you quick access to functions like sum, average, and count. You can also easily change font styles, colors, and apply borders to cells. This allows you to maintain professional formatting even when you are away from your desktop computer. To boost your efficiency, try these tips. When you have a pattern, use the autofill handle by dragging the small square at the corner of a selected cell to quickly extend data. Start new projects with pre-designed templates for invoices or budgets to save time and ensure consistency. Also, ensure your files are synced to a cloud service like OneDrive or Google Drive. This way, your work is always up to date across all your devices. For more advanced tasks, the mobile app supports real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit a shared workbook simultaneously. You can also insert various charts, like bar or pie charts, to visualize your data effectively, and even add images directly from your phone's gallery. These features make the mobile Excel app a powerful tool for comprehensive data management and presentation. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking for ways to simplify your meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.